big press conference that's to take place. As we see, both leaders, both Thackeray brothers have already arrived at the location. They're on stage. They will start speaking shortly from now. They will in fact be giving us a sense of what this alliance means for both parties, for the MNS as well as the Shiv Sena UBT faction. What shall be the divide in terms of the upcoming elections, the seat division between the two parties? How will they be approaching? What is the strategy behind this very alliance, and how will they be strategizing and preparing for the BMC polls? All of that shall be shared by these two leaders only a little while from now. But as we speak, it's the 24th of December, and it's a very important date in the political landscape of the state of Maharashtra. It's a chapter being written. It's a new chapter being written by the Thackeray brothers as they come together, join hands after 20 long years. They were seen seeking blessings of Balasaheb Thackeray right before, of the late Balasaheb Thackeray right before coming on stage to share the very alliance and its vision for the rest of what is to come in their political journey together. The first step being the BMC polls. Those are the visuals a little while ago as both the families could be seen coming together and paying their homage, seeking blessings from some of the crucial leaders that have shaped not only India but also their journey in politics. And then post that, they proceeded to this very venue where the press conference is going to take place. It's a very important press conference as we are to, in fact, listen in to what exactly is the vision of the Thackeray brothers. Maharashtra civic polls have just taken place. They haven't really performed that well in terms of the seats secured by the Aghadi at large. It is the BJP, in fact, that we saw came out as a sweeping victorious party in the very Maharashtra civic polls, for which in fact followed the state assembly polls in last year, where we saw the Mahayuti again, in fact, offering a blow to the Aghadi again there as well. Crushing defeat for the Mahavikas Aghadi that we had witnessed there as well. Just 20 seats is what we had seen Uddhav Sena had in fact managed to secure. But now, will this alliance bring about a change? Because if we speak of the ideological war here in Maharashtra that's come out to play, it's the Hindutva ideology versus the Marathi Manush ideology that the Thackeray brothers stand for, that the Thackeray brothers represent in the state. Sanjay Raut also accompanying the Thackeray brothers as he begins to speak. Let's listen in.
संख्येनं आपण सर्व इथे उपस्थित आहात आणि आपल्यातला उत्साह जो दिसतोय ते पाहता एक गोष्ट नक्की आहे की आजचा दिवस महाराष्ट्रासाठी ऐतिहासिक आहे. सकाळी मी कोणाला तरी सांगितलं की आजच्या दिवसाचं महत्त्व काय आहे. संयुक्त महाराष्ट्राच्या लढ्यानंतर जो
I was explaining the importance of the day today.
आला तो मराठी ऐक्याचा मंगल कलश होता आणि आज पुन्हा एकदा हा मराठी ऐक्याचा मंगल कलश घेऊन
Today is an important day for the people of Marathi origin.
तोच आनंदाचा क्षण आज महाराष्ट्राच्या जीवनामध्ये आलेला आहे.
This is extreme happiness.
अजिबात यापुढे काही बोलणार नाही. हाच मंगल कलश मुंबई सह अनेक महानगरपालिकांमध्ये विजयी
occasion in Mumbai
राहणार नाही. आणि या महाराष्ट्राला फक्त ठाकरेच नेतृत्व देऊ शकतात आणि महाराष्ट्र ठाकरेंच्याच मागे जाईल हे सांगणारी आजची पत्रकार परिषद आणि आजचा दिवस आहे. मी
The importance of this press conference is to explain how important the Thackeray's are for the growth of Mumbai and Maharashtra.